It's a new 2024 Cadillac XT4. Cross out your old expectations of crossovers. This XT4 is a moving statement of big utility and plentiful features in a compact package. You'll look forward to every drive with features like these: intercooled turbo inline 4-cylinder engine, gas pressurized shocks, integrated navigation system with voice activation, Wi-Fi hotspot, dual zone climate control, rear parking sensors, streaming audio, memory exterior door mirror settings, driver memory seats, auto-dimming rear view mirror, and automatic transmission. To achieve greatness, one must dare to be great. Shape your world in a Cadillac. There's even more to see in person. Take it for a test drive today. Visit our website at edmorsecadillactampa.com or call us today.